Bro, I just want my car back, bro. I just want to be back driving this thing, man. Yeah. I ain't gonna do too much talking. But you know I got the work shirt on, so you already know what's gonna happen. Finna bust down real quick. Yeah, it's around that time again. Another issue with the fin transmission. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this little transmission swap. Yeah, ain't too much talking, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. Transmission swap. I got the Jeep pulled up in the driveway. I'm gonna make this easy. First thing I'm gonna do, take the whole front end off. The bumper, the radiator support, headlights, the radiator and the AC condenser, all that. All right, so boom, got everything, whole front end off, headlights, bumper, radiator support, fans, radiator. This, I just hang it off, put it over to the side. You don't want to bend these lines, break these lines. I did that once before. Luckily, it was just this. It was this part that broke, and that's just connected to the condenser. So I just bought a whole new condenser. This one's still fresh, brand new thing. Now finna get to work on the harness. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the whole harness on for real, and I'm gonna just disconnect it from the inside and bring it out and set it on top of here, just so it's out the way. I got a couple hoses I need to take off, like here, cord hoses, these back here, whatever. After that, I'm gonna take this off because I'm gonna be lifting it from the intake manifold, or from underneath the intake manifold. That's where I'm gonna be lifting the car from. Then I gotta lift it up, get up underneath, disconnect the trans mount and the drivetrain and the exhaust, and then it's gonna be ready to pull for real. Also, gonna take both of these belts off. I'm gonna take the AC compressor off, and I'm gonna take the power steering pump off, because from previous experience, disconnecting this from right here, it's just gonna leak and leak and leak and keep leaking everywhere, and I'm not trying to have that. As you can see, my driveway is stained enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the whole power steering pump off. It's 1, 2, 3 bolts, and I ain't gotta deal with no leaks. AC compressor gonna come off. It's 2 bolts, I think, 2, maybe 3. All right, so inside the car, passenger side kick panel, 2 harnesses you gotta unplug. This little small white one right here, and this big black one right here. No homo. All right, check this out. Just go like this. Whoop. Bop. That's that one. Oh yeah, unplug your battery first, unless you're trying to fry something. You know what I'm talking about? All right, now just gotta pull this out right here. Whoa. Pull your battery out. Got this rubber grommet right here. I got like clips on it, so I'm probably gonna have to stop recording. Unplug all those, then unplug these 3 harnesses right here on the side, and then your harness go right here, right here, right here. Take all that out, and you good. All right, before I get up under this thing, quick little side note. I bought this today, and I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm glad I did. But I'm gonna keep it a bean. I hope the car up high enough to where I can maneuver on this thing. All right, so what I gotta do, I'm gonna work front to back on this. All right, I'm gonna leave the motor round zone. That's probably gonna be the last thing I take off. I gotta disconnect these right here. Whatever little support bar that's connected to the cats. Disconnect these right here. Connect it from this wide pipe. Drop that down. Come back and disconnect this right here, and then drop this down and pull it out, and then we come all the way back and disconnect the drivetrain from the diff, and then pull it out from right here. There's no bolts in the trans, it just slide out. Hey, this little thing fun. I'm over there just sliding, you know what I'm talking about? It's an 18, it's right up under here. This is the rack and pinion. You got this little support bar right here, and then up through there, it's an 18 millimeter. You'll need to use a deep socket on both sides and take the motor mount bolts out. I might just drop this rack and pinion too, just so, because last time when I was taking it out, I had smashed these lines right here and I had to get it replaced. Oh yeah, this sucker. I got everything unbolted. Everything. Motor mount is out, trans mount is off. Obviously, a little tip, right? If you're lazy, you don't drain your trans fluid, you don't want everything to leak out the back, put your little gloves. They fit perfectly over here. All this is filled with trans fluid right now, and it's not on my floor. But I got everything disconnected. The engine's up on the hoist, and it's moving freely now, so look like it's about to come out. Finally. Trans is out with the old, soon to be in with the new. It's Super Bowl weekend though, and I ain't got time today, so finna head to my grandpa's house, go watch the game, and then I don't know, probably drop back in tomorrow after work or something. We're gonna see. Let's get it.